So let's read this question. So the question says that the radii of F, F negative, O and O2 negative are in the order of. So generally we have to find out the decreasing order of radii of F, F minus and O2 minus. So let's solve this question. So first we'll write all the elements like F, F minus, O and O2 minus. And one thing we know that anions, so this is an important point, that anions are larger in size as comparison to or as compared to their parental atom. So anions are generally larger in size as compared to their parental atom. So if you see, so there are two anions F minus and O2 minus. So they are larger as compared to F and O. So now we'll decide which will be larger. First we have F negative and O2 negative. So here F has 10 electrons and 9 protons. Oxygen has 10 electron and 8 proton. So here 9 proton, 10 electron and here 8 proton and 10 electron. So obviously here 9 proton 10 electron, that means effective nuclear charge, or we can say that Z effective is more as compared to O2 minus, because here only 8 protons, say they are isoelectronic, but the nuclear charge of F minus is more as compared to O2 minus. Nuclear charge is more in case of F minus. As the nuclear charge is more, so there is more effective nuclear charge in case of F minus as compared to O2 minus. So as Z effective nuclear, we can say that effective nuclear charge is more, so size will be less, and here effective nuclear charge is less, so size will be more. That means O2 minus is larger in size than F minus, or O2 minus has larger radii than F minus. Now we'll compare between F and O. Now we have only F and O. So if we'll see F and O, that is fluorine and oxygen, these are the parental atom. So in a group, or we can say that in a period, so they are in the same period, O then F. So if we'll go in a period from left to right, what happens? Size decreases. Size decreases when we will go from left to right, then size decreases. That means oxygen has larger size than F, or you can say that oxygen has larger radii than F. So the order will be like, then comes O, oxygen has larger radius, then comes fluorine. So this is the order of radii of F, F minus, O and O2 minus. So O2 minus comes first, then F minus, then O, then F. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. This is the correct order of radii of O2 minus, F minus, O and F. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.